To deem is to think or believe, forming an opinion based on consideration. This verb is often used in contexts where judgment or evaluation is required, reflecting a thoughtful process of forming beliefs or opinions. Devastate means to destroy or lay waste, leaving an area in ruins. This term often describes the aftermath of natural disasters or conflicts, where the impact is severe and widespread, affecting communities and environments profoundly. Elusive describes something or someone that is difficult to catch or hold, often due to its fleeting nature. It can also refer to concepts that are hard to explain or understand, requiring deeper insight or analysis to grasp fully. Idolize means to worship or regard someone or something as an idol, often with intense admiration or love. This term is commonly used to describe the way fans feel about celebrities or how individuals might view personal heroes, elevating them to a status of reverence. A keepsake is an item cherished for its sentimental value, often serving as a reminder of a special person or event. These mementos can range from photographs to small trinkets, each holding personal significance and evoking memories of the giver or occasion. Mortal refers to a being destined to die, highlighting the inevitability of death. As an adjective, it describes anything related to such beings, including fatal or conceivable outcomes. Understanding this term helps in grasping the transient nature of life and the potential consequences of actions. Petty describes something trivial or of little importance. It can also refer to a narrow-minded attitude or a minor rank. Understanding this term helps in distinguishing between significant and insignificant matters, aiding in prioritization and effective decision-making. Repent means to feel remorse for actions or inactions. It involves acknowledging mistakes and seeking to make amends. This emotional response can lead to personal growth and improved decision-making, highlighting the importance of self-reflection in our lives. Revocation refers to the act of calling back or canceling something, such as a decision or agreement. It involves nullifying a previous action, often through formal or legal means. Understanding revocation is crucial in contexts like contracts, where it can impact obligations and rights. Strand can refer to a beach or shore, or a string of wire or hair. As a verb, it means to drive or run aground, or to leave someone in a hopeless position. Understanding these meanings helps in grasping the nuances of its usage in different contexts.